Hello everyone, let's learn how to turn off Instagram notes. If this feature does not interest you and you are looking for ways to mute it, this is the right place for you've come to. We will here tell you how to disable this feature. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. Then when you scroll to chats, you can see Instagram Notes feature. This feature is relatively new, and maybe you don't like it, so you can't delete all Instagram notes, because Instagram didn't have that option, but you can manually disable of one person you want, and you can do that multiple times. So go on profile of person you want. Then click on this follow button, and that will open a side menu this option. After that you need to click on mute option. And now you need to click on enable to mute button, and when you do that you are finished. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.